What's good, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're doing well. I'm Jacob Crypto Burry. If you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. We're going to look at XRP today. We never look at XRP, but it certainly does deserve a little look through and analysis because, to be fair, it's rank 7. The XRP army is as strong as ever, and with a $20 billion market capital, even though there's a lot of political crisis and pressure on the project right now, it does show that XRP is here to stand through the bear markets. They've got the cash reserves to maintain development and push through. And I think XRP is certainly going to be one to hold over the next 5 to 10 years if you want to make some massive potential profits. So we're trading currently at $0.39. We can see we're just slightly down on this daily time frame. Looking at the all-time high, you can see back in 2018 we actually had $3.19, and for the particular bull market we just had, we saw $1.83, even though that's with all the court cases occurring. So we still saw a massive euphoric impulse and some big gains despite all of the FUD and the bad news that went on with Ripple. So looking at some news, the SEC vs Ripple. Court to discuss Hinman documents in June. Cool. So why is this important? Well, the development has sparked a lot of discussion in the crypto community. It's believed that these documents would guarantee a win for Ripple if admitted to the court, thus bringing an end to the long-running Ripple vs SEC case. So people are getting bored of this. I mean, I'm even getting bored of this. Just Ripple SEC is the only thing you hear about Ripple right now. So the conclusion of the conference call meeting might have a significant impact on the price of basically XRP and also the whole cryptocurrency sector. The conclusion really, the long-running court case between Ripple and SEC. Ripple has been embroiled in protracted legal dispute, which has seriously tarnished its image in terms of the trust, the integrity, the community, and the belief that people have in the project. Basically, we saw lots of selling pressure because of this, lots of whales selling off their holdings, as well as legacy holders and investors. People just got bored, A few remain confident about large profits. Well, I'm a contrarian, and when people scream that something's going to happen, the majority, I always go with the minority. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, maintains that the company is growing despite the crypto market's slump. In the first quarter of 2022, the volume of on-demand liquidity, the company's XRP-powered cross-border payment service, increased to $8 billion from $1 billion. So that's pretty crazy stuff. We've also got some juicy tweets that we're going to check out right here. We can see Ripple have just tweeted their latest partner, Luna Solutions, will soon use Liquidity Hub, enabling high-end retailers in the UK and Europe to accept crypto as payment. So that's some really nice adoption news. We've also got this over here on the Twitter side of things. XRP Avengers, a part of the Ripple army, I'm sure he is. So he's saying he's proud if you haven't panic sold your XRP within these rough days. I'm confident we're going to make it, fam. We are closer than ever. Hashtag XRP. Another really bullish one is going to be this particular tweet. I just sent XRP to a wallet in less than 3 seconds. Just 3 seconds, guys. I do this every day and it costs me fractions of a penny, cheaper than Cash App and PayPal. XRP is the standard go-to. We've got another one as well, another particular influencer, XRP Whale, obviously a bit biased, but XRP is trading. Let's fucking go, mate. So it looks pretty bullish, to be honest. We've got Carl the Moon. Do I agree with everything he says? Definitely not. However, here's put XRP over here saying, potentially has one of the strongest communities across Twitter, and the XRP army certainly does live on. So let's jump into a bit of price analysis today on the XRP. We're in the daily time frame, and what we're going to look at is the oversold positions for XRP on the daily time frame from the last year or so. So we can see we're oversold here July 2021, we're oversold here December 2021, oversold here 23rd of January 2022, and also oversold here on 12th of May 2022. Why is this important? Well, each time we were oversold, we did get some price action, usually resulting in an impulse wave to the upside. So we see a nice pump here. We were also trading over here. We got a little pump to the upside. I say little, is still probably a good 70% odd, 70% right there. We also bottomed out over here, and then from this particular swing low we came up to this swing high, another 70% increase. So we're seeing a bit of a pattern here with the impulse waves. This was 153%. Now this particular one, we've not yet actually had the impulse wave. We've been in consolidation because of the macro downtrend in the market. What looks like happening right now for XRP is we're challenging that 20-day moving average within a symmetrical triangle pattern. So yeah, we potentially got a really bullish outcome could occur if we break out to the upside. You can see lots of capitulation wicks, lots of support along this diagonal. $0.38, massive support level. $0.37, also a really, really big support level. So these would be potentially buy-in zones. If we do fall to these lower levels again, I'm effectively going to buy a bit more XRP, as I think it's a nice dollar cost average level. So what can we look at from this data? Well, we've got the diagonal resistance right here from this swing high of 14 April 2021. So at some point I do anticipate a breakout to the upside for XRP, and the way I think it will occur is we get a breakout of this symmetrical triangle, we retest 0.51 critical resistance, and then maybe we do come up to about $0.64, though I do think we'll see continuation to the downside because we are settling in a cryptocurrency winter at the moment. We do also need to get the technical price target on the potential breakout if it does happen. So it's going to be the width of the symmetrical triangle, and this actually takes us to around about this particular $0.51. So there is a 24% long opportunity potentially ready to happen on XRP cryptocurrency. I am confident that it could happen. I don't think it's 100%. It never is. And you could view this as one giant bear flag, but I do think it's very unlikely that we're going to see XRP fall back down to these lower levels. And why is this a key area of resistance, 0.51? Well, if we look over here from 24th of June 2019, this swing high does draw in a lot of resistance. Now, the levels I'm really looking at for potential reaccumulation, basically an opportunity of a lifetime, would effectively be probably between the 0.31 and the $0.15 level. Now, I think it's extremely unlikely that we would actually fall down to these levels, but I have drawn out this rectangle just in case because I'm looking out for it. Of course, we had the COVID crash over here, March 2020. If we take this swing high to swing low, we can see we've already corrected down below to the 0.786 Fibonacci, so we're below there now, which is typically quite a bullish area of reaccumulation, and we were oversold on the RSI, which has not yet played out. So if we break out of this symmetrical triangle here on the daily time frame, I reckon some big things will be happening for the XRP. The XRP is trending now. The XRP army is also really anticipating some big news. So if the SEC case does go through, we could speculate some positive price action, probably a pump to the upside up to around 0.51 sort of dollars would be the technical target that we're looking at for XRP. So I'm just going to refresh this because for some reason my trading view just likes to freeze on me at the moment. So let's go back to XRP. Where were we? Sorry guys, I do appreciate this is a bit annoying, but I'm going to keep it in the video just so we can stay real with what we're talking about. So yes, I do anticipate a breakout to the upside for XRP. So keep an eye on it, guys. It could effectively happen. Of course, the opportunity of a lifetime would be reaccumulating between 0.16 $0.31. If we look at the 4-hour time frame quickly before we leave here on this chart, again, putting through lower highs, higher lows, it does look like a good level to effectively buy XRP. So if you want to grab some today, use the link down in my description below, get some XRP, become wealthy over the next 5 years or whatever. Of course, not financial advice. I'm just a guy that makes YouTube videos. So what will we now check? Well, before we leave, we're going to look at the price target. Basically for XRP over the next few years, the way we do this is we get our Fibonacci extension. We assume the market cycle bottom was that 0.37 level, and this is where we can get the pragmatic targets of around $2.42 to $2.98. And the way we see this is this Fibonacci extension target zone between the 1.272 and the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. So I'm very bullish for this matter, and I think right now does propose a good area, because if we do come up to those $3 levels, you're looking at a 660% price increase in the long term, guys. So really good stuff to see here for XRP. Why else do I feel like it's a good time to buy? Well, if we look at this particular chart, the BLX chart, it shows us all the cryptocurrency bear markets and bull markets. I'm going to ramble on about this until all of you subscribe to the channel, because this is key data, which I think is very integral to the crypto journey, and it tells us a good story. Every time we have a blue vertical line, we're seeing peak greed and euphoria. Every time we have a green line, we're seeing oversold position on the RSI on this monthly time frame, aka the beginning of the true bear market, or where we find the bear market bottom. And that's usually around these levels. After that, you start seeing the accumulation. The RSI is starting to come back up. So this would tell us right now that accumulation is starting to happen now. If we look at this green line to this blue line, it took 821 days. If we look at this green line to this blue line, it took 853 days. So what you would speculate is basically an 850-day accumulation range around this particular area. We'd expect the next bull market to be around October, November of 2024, probably following the next cryptocurrency Bitcoin halving event. So yes, now is a freaking good time to be buying cryptocurrency. If you didn't grab XRP before at these lower levels, now you've got the opportunity to do so. The same applies to every other blue chip cryptocurrency project, guys. So yeah, at the moment, daily time frame, market capitalization, we are down, but it doesn't really matter because if you look at the 1 year performance, we're still only down 11%. If we were to look at the 5 year performance, everything would be green. Absolutely everything. So the only thing that matters is long-term investment strategy. That's what this channel is about. It's finding the best opportunities in these bear markets to really execute the best investment strategy and actually generate wealth over the long period of time. Currently, we got extreme fear in the market. Another little indicator that makes me want to go shopping and grabbing more crypto today. So all about the hodl, guys. Hodl for years to come, and this is where we generate the wealth together. So if you want to hop into my Discord channel, I very much welcome you to do so. You can come say hello. There's about 250 people in here at the moment. Make sure you also visit the Telegram channels in the description, the Learn to Trade and the Business to Community Telegrams if you want to also stay up to date with the most comprehensive crypto news insights. Much love from Jake. Stay crypto safe. YOLO and hodl to the XRP army. You guys are awesome. XRP is definitely here to stay, and mark my words, we'll see a $5 to $10 XRP in the next 10 years. Easy stuff. See you guys. Stay safe.